If you want to hide apps on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then in that case we can use Secure Folder, because unfortunately there is no dedicated option or feature that allows you to just simply hide apps. So in order to do so, first we're gonna open Settings, over here scroll down in order to go to Security and Privacy, scroll all the way down and go to More Security and Privacy, and then over here you should be able to find the Secure Folder option. Over here press Continue, tap on this arrow over here, and we need to log in by using our Google account. The reason for this is quite simple. The secure folder is a private environment, which means that anything that we have inside the secure folder is separate from everything that we have outside of the secure folder. This also allows us to have apps in the secure folder. I mean apps that we do not really have outside of the secure folder, since it is actually, like I mentioned, a separate environment. Nevertheless, first we need to set up the password for our secure folder, so I'm gonna use a simple pin code over here. And let's go next, enter the same password again in order to confirm. And there we go. You can also use fingerprint if you want to. If you have fingerprint set up, then you can just use it in order to be able to unlock the secure folder. And over here, we can just press maybe later. So now, in order to hide an app, let's actually go back to the home screen for a second. If I want to hide something, then in that case, I need to add it or install it in the secure folder. So let's say, as an example, let's say I want to hide this game. So in this case, what I can do is open the secure folder, tap on this plus in the bottom right corner and choose Add Apps option. Now over here I can select the game, there we go, and then press this check over here in the bottom right corner. And there we go, now I have the game over here in the secure folder. However, keep in mind that the data of the app that we have over here is separated from the data that we have outside, because once again it is a separate environment. So this also means that if you had any accounts that you were logged into on your apps or something, anything that was customizable, you will need to do that again, pretty much. So just remember that in order to accidentally not lose something. So since I have the game added, I can now go back to the app drawer, and now I can uninstall the game from here. If I uninstall the game here, then I will not uninstall it from the secure folder. As another example, I can open the Play Store here. So in the top right corner we have the Play Store, and if I decide to install something over here, let's say I'm gonna install, I don't know, like ChatGPT, right? Let's install it. Then I will not install it on my phone over here in general, like I won't be able to find it in the app drawer, but I will be able to find it in the secure folder. So this is what I mean by the separate environment. Anything that happens inside the secure folder is just separated from anything that happens outside. So this is how we can hide apps. We can just simply install apps inside the secure folder, and the access to the secure folder is of course locked by providing the password, by setting up the password. You can also hide the secure folder itself by, let me actually unlock it first, by going to these three lines over here in the top left corner. And then we have the stealth mode, where we can hide it in the app drawer and in the Moto Secure app. After that, if you want to find the secure folder, you need to go back to the more security and privacy settings. So the same settings, the same place where we set up the secure folder. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.